Hello, this is Mark Petrenko. Can I teach you how to get Ocam? Ocam is a free-based screen recorder that will help you make the best videos for YouTube or any fucking medium you want. This vodka plenty full of shit app will help you to make nice videos with 3 nice options. You can whether or not pause, stop it, or do shit with it. It shows you how many space you still have left, and you can change the options to make it a little bit more, HQ. You have 3 options as you can see on the screen. Well, to download this app, I will put the link in my description box. Please do not check my Vegas, it has nothing to say. But anyways, what I want to say is please check my fucking link in description and like and subscribe my channel forever and always, because I need the support. Anyways, I do not get any ad reviews from them, so it's a free app. You can get some ad reviews money for me by clicking on the link in the description. Have a nice Russian day, and I hope you fucking slip off on vodka. Bye.